Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best loud alarm clocks you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many loud alarm clocks and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each loud alarm clocks, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a loud alarm clock. First, think about the volume level and sound type. Some clocks have adjustable tones or extra loud buzzers, which are useful for heavy sleepers. Next, consider the power source. Many alarm clocks use batteries, electricity, or both, so choose one that suits your needs and avoids power failure issues. Also, check for additional features like vibration, flashing lights, or dual alarms. These can be helpful for people with hearing difficulties or shared rooms. The display visibility is another key factor. Make sure the numbers are large and visible even in the dark. Lastly, look for durability and design because a sturdy build ensures long-lasting performance. Always read user reviews to confirm reliability before buying. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.